In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create talking AI avatars from text using the best AI tool of 2026.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how you can create AI token avatar with SipMagic AI on a best AI tool on 2026. Click on login for free and I will find the link in the description. Now we are inside on SipMagic AI and here you find 4 options for editing video, create captions and a lot of things. But in this tutorial, we choose AI avatar. Click on AI avatar. Here we choose the avatar you like it. There are a lot of avatar here. We choose one. We talk in show more, and here we choose another one. Let's go here, and we choose this boy. Now here we type our script. Type anything you want to tell this avatar. Here we choose the language and now click on create avatar. Click on it and SipMagic AI will create your full video that talk in just one click. It's takes some time. Now my video is ready. Here we added the captions on the avatar. We choose any style captions you like it here. We choose the one and click here. We go to trend style. We choose the trend style here. Click on trending. Choose the any captions you like it, like this. Now we click on AI tool. Choose the added B-rolls with AI. Now your video has a B-rolls with AI in just one click. Now we click review.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create talking AI avatars from
Your
text
video is
using
ready
the best
in
AI
just
tool
one
of
click.
2026.
Now we choose here a lot of AI tool. Click on it and choose anyone like it. And your video is ready. You can export and upload it on your own social media or video ads or anything you want. Click on export, choose the any quality video you want, and click here. We choose 25. Now click on export. Your video is exported on your laptop, and that's it in this video. If you want to try SipMagic AI, this is the pricing by SipMagic AI. There are 3 plans: basic, pro, and business. I recommend to use pro. It's best for creation video. You will find my link in the description and see you the next one.